What is up, everyone? Good morning. It's another Sunday, and if it's Sunday, it's gala day and shopping day. And today we're going on a thrift store. We're going thrifting because we need some stuffs for my little pocket garden. I keep like we take stuffs from the thrift store if it's for the garden, or even if somebody take it, like kunin, nakawin at paglaruan ng mga bata, it would be okay. So let's go.
Lot for your destination.
Ayan, we are here na sa 2nd Avenue thrift store here sa Laurel, Maryland. We're done dito sa 2nd Avenue thrift store, and what we find was a little Shih Tzu dog and a dog bowl.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Fort Meade Road, then turn right onto Irving Street.
Nakakahiya naman sa iyo, abala ka. A dog bowl and a ceramic kitchen pot like the one we had before in another thrift store, so I needed another one for that. Ayan, we're here at the 2nd thrift store that we're going. It's titled Thrift Store. Thrift Store. Ayan, tapos na kami dito sa 2nd thrift store. The name is Red, White, and Blue Thrift Shop. And may nakita kaming pangalan nito, juice container. Tapos nagpila kami ng mahabang mahaba, and then to my surprise, they don't accept card and Apple Pay. They do only cash. After namin pumila ng mahaba, hindi pa na kami pwede magbayad. So we left, and they will hold the item now for an hour. Ayan, we're going Giant now kasi withdraw. Ang lalaki ng service charge. So we are going dyan para kumuha ng pera na walang service charge. Ayan, so kami ay nagka-withdraw na. Hindi pala withdraw, bumili ng mga items and then nag-cash out. Libre pa. Bumili lang ng mga konting product tapos pag nagbayad ka na ng card, lalabas yung pera, walang charge. And so we're going back sa Red, White, and Blue Trip store para balikan yung juice bottle.
Take a slight left turn onto Baltimore Avenue.
Nakakuha na kami ng cash sa Giant. Nabili ko na yung bote. This is it. Nahirapan pa akong kunin kasi they don't understand English, which is kaya galit na galit itong isa kasi you come to a country where the language is English and you don't learn the language. Kaya yeah, pero at least nakuha ko na. It's just that kailangan ko siyang ituro. Buti nandun siya sa lugar na visible siya. So nung naituro ko, nalaman nila na yun pala, nakakaloka. Tapos na kaming mag-thrifting. So we're going naman sa bilihan ng alak. Bibili kami ng mamam panghalo sa aming Tuscan store. Ayan, andito na naman kami sa piyesta ng mga Manginun. Daming alak. Piyesta dito. Ayan, tapos na kami mamili ng alak and we got like around 6 bottles of it. And we had vodka and then we have the Max, the new mango and strawberry and cherry and Cabernet Sauvignon. And Derek is there. Nakikipag-chismisan pa sa kakilalang nakita niya. Ayan, tapos na kaming bumili ng alak. So, hahanap naman kami ng makakainan. And then, uuwi na. We're going to Taqueria Los Primos. I checked on Google, which is the best authentic Spanish restaurant near us, and it says Taqueria Los Primos, and we are lasing. Ang daming patikim na alak doon sa tindahan ng alak, and we are lasing. Sa dami ng tinikman namin halo-halong alak.
Go past this light, then at the next.
Ayan, so we're here na sa Taqueria Los Primos. We're going to have our lunch here and then uuwi later. Ayan, so ayun na nga. We had our lunch here sa Taqueria Los Primos, and I don't know why Google suggested this place as number 1. First, the food is bland. Walang lasa. It's only spicy. Like they only put chilies and no seasoning on it. Second, we were surprised at first because we just paid like $30. Normally we would have like more than 50, more than 60 for a meal. And at first we were surprised that it's only $30. And then when the food came, like almost flat lang siya dun sa plate, so it will look more. And then yun nga, walang lasa. So don't come here if you're a nation guy who do spices too much, because their food here is bland. I'm not maarte, pero you know, I ordered this food, all American, chuchu, and it's only scrambled egg. And Derek ordered this tacos. It says 4 pieces, and when the tacos came, the size of the tacos is smaller than a coffee plate. What do you call that?
Sauce.
The saucer. It's smaller than a saucer, which is like the size of a coaster. Nakakaloka. We will not come back here. And that's it for today's video. Kung nagustuhan
Stay in the
mo
middle
ang
2 lanes.
video ito, nakakahiya naman kay Google Map. Ayan, kung
In about
nagustuhan
1 mile, turn right onto Talbot Avenue.
Ayan, kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pakiclick ang like button, pakisubscribe na rin kung bago ka sa aking channel. At huwag mong kalimutang i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko. And huwag mo rin kalimutang i-click ang share button at i-share ito sa iyong Facebook account and do a screenshot of it and send it on my I Am Romeo C Facebook page. And at the end of the month, I'll be choosing 3 to 5 person who will receive an internet load or certain amount of GCash, yeah, for your internet usage. That's all. See you on the next one. Bye bye.